We got this one in this morning for a rodent inspection. This gentleman has seen some droppings and stuff. Now we're looking. There's definitely rats inhabiting the car. Mice, rats, to be determined, but rodents nonetheless. Okay, you have a hole right here, indicates they're going to the floorboard. And they're definitely chewing up things to make nests. So they're probably under there building nests and living it up. So we're doing a full inspection. We're going to remove the panels, find out where they at. And yeah, this is going to be quite a job. So we're checking everywhere they could be at in the car. So yeah, definitely they've been all over. What's up, Greg?
They hungry.
They hungry, huh? No, I think that's going in the nesting. Jackpot.
I'm gonna get some love.
This look like home sweet home back here. This is one nesting spot for them. They're definitely.
Damn.
Yeah, it look like somebody in there. Anybody home?
Damn.
What is this? This is a built. It looks like a vent.
Yeah.
That's the vent system.
Damn. It's a hole right there.
Yeah. Yep. They're going to the floorboard for sure. Okay. Yeah. They're going to the floorboard for sure. Yeah, they've been in the glove box, so they're chewing up the paperwork and stuff. So Grand just put out the cabin air filter area. It's pretty clear. It's dirty as hell, but it's clear. So actually trying to go in here and let the customer know what we found. Usually the inspection takes about 45 minutes to an hour. We've only been out here like 20 minutes, just looking it over. We found some poop in the under the hood. The little chewing and the cabin air filters pretty clear, but we found tunnels and we found a lot of nesting in the back of the car in the trunk area, which is kind of common. If they're inhabiting the engine bay, usually they're hiding in the cabin air filter area of the car. That's like when they first started inhabiting the car. But it looked like they've been in here a while because they got tunnels. They have a whole little den in the back. So yeah, they've been in here a while, and we'll have to just like clean out what they can. So it's gonna be a while. Oh, this is damage on the seats. He's gonna rebuild the seat. The back rebuild this one too. This and Yeah, cleaned it up real good. All right, Joel. Okay. Here. Yep.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you, Joel.
Hey everyone, this is my car Kia Soul, and recently I had a problem with this one with a lot of rat dirt, and generally ran into this problem with generally car smelling bad a little bit inside, and started seeing some rat activity. I know I had a tennis ball that was chewn up, the car seat that was chewn up a little bit. So it took quite a bit of effort to find someone really good, and luckily I was able to find Mike, his company XLNC Auto Beauty, and yeah, we worked with Mike and his team. They did a really great job getting everything fixed. It was thorough, end-to-end complete. They cleaned the car very well. Made sure it was not superficial, right? Everything was done in very detailed way. Got everything out. They had the seats come out, went under the base of the car, checked all the wirings, cleaned everything end to end, and really did a great job. It's been a real pleasure working with Mike and his team. They're professional. They got the job done well, and hopefully I don't run into this again. But if I do, I'll be definitely coming back to Mike.
XLNC Auto Beauty.